according to day 11. So, hey kids, today I'm going to show you this is a ramp, and I have an X-Max that I never made a video about. So, I'm just going to jump and then land somewhere on here.
You think you could do it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But I'm going to move it a little closer.
You're going to move it a little bit closer.
Because when we did a test,
Okay.
it didn't work last time.
It didn't reach all the way there. Okay.
It didn't reach the pillow. It just like...
We'll keep experimenting, and you guys are going to experiment with this. And leave any comments if you have any suggestions for us. All right, Moose. Go ahead.
Are you ready?
No, you don't have to start it up there. Start it with like one wheel back, one wheel down. Let's try that. Ready?
Oh. Turn it off. I was just resting it for a little so it could keep that.
Okay.
Ready, set, go!
Ooh, it does need a push. Ready, steady. Ooh, ooh. Oh, almost. I think you gotta start it from like further away, and I think it'll actually drive up and like speed off. Do you wanna try that?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, just missed it. I don't think it's gonna go over that because that's like a big jump for it. Like its wheel is not big enough to climb over that. So we need to. Wait, Musa, we need to add another ramp to this ramp. We need to make a ramp from right here to right here.
No. Oh, laptop.
No. Let's get something else. That's
We
not-
used it for a different
You think
one
that?
we-
Okay, Baba, is that okay?
Mish.
Okay. This is an old broken laptop. That's why we're using it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You say, what do you start with?
This is
Bismillah. Let's go. Ready, steady. Woo! Woo! Oh, it went a little bit sideways, but that looks like it's actually a great idea. Start it from a little bit further and drive it straight up there. From a little bit further. Try to center it.
I'm gonna
Center it, center it.
Stay for a little bit, like it when it goes down for a little bit, and then it springs up, goes super duper.
Okay, just 1 second. We're gonna make an imaginary line from there to here and make sure that it lines up. I would say it needs to go right here. This should be the center of it right here. Yep, and I think that's gonna drive. What do you guys think? Right onto it. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh, you turned it. Bring it back. I think it's gonna be like this, right over here. Center. Make my hand in the center of it. Yeah, make it kind of like a straight. Okay, I think that's good. Ready? Steady, straight, just straight. Woohoo! Oh, it did it. I want to get another angle. Do it again, do it again. All right, Musa, go ahead. Oh, okay, it wasn't quite centered. Whoa, that is a cool truck though. Try again. Oh, I know this is gonna be it. This is gonna be the time that we get it perfect. Oh no, don't do it off the table.
That's where it goes extra fast.
Okay, but it'll flip over. It'll flip over once it gets off. Just like that. That's pretty cool that it can drive sideways though.
That's why. 'Cause-
Make sure it's straight. Oh, the wheel was turned. Okay. Go ahead. Bismillah.
I can't turn it that well because it's a little.
Woo! I almost got my feet.
Down.
We're making it go down the ramp now?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Because when it goes off, it didn't work at all.
Actually, it was doing great, but I think that we could try something new
Only
now.
one time it worked good.
Woo! Oh, crash.
I know a different one. Don't come. This time, it has to go off the ramp and then kick it into the goal.
Oh, okay. Good idea. Like soccer and with a monster truck instead of with your feet, right?
Wait.
That monster truck is ready to go, isn't it?
Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa. It made it! Woohoo!
Okay, kids. Now we're gonna try to get this ramp thing. I'm gonna turn it off so I can save extra gas,
Does it take gas or does it use electricity?
electricity, and gas.
It's like a rechargeable battery, right?
Yeah. And it needs some gas sometimes.
All right, Musa wants to drive it up that ramp now onto the table. Let's see if this can happen.
No.
That cushion's kind of smaller. I think it might be able to make it over. We'll see. Oh, from there.
It has to turn a little bit.
Okay. Ready? Steady?
Go! Hey.
Oh, you forgot. You turned it off. Take 2.
Wait.
Now it's actually on, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, when it's on, it grips on it wherever you want it to. But when it's off, it just lays. So it just...
It rolled, right? Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh!
Oh, I
It took a
Turn that.
It did a really sharp turn. That's surprising.
I'm scared to go when I fail.
You're scared?
Yeah. No, not yet.
So you were not able to drive it up the ramp yet? You want to try one more time?
Yeah, please.
Okay, add that. Add that and see if you can get it to work. Okay, this is our last attempt for this video. Let's hope it works.
Just with the laptop.
I think it can do it. What do you think?
Yeah, I just have to aim it.
Yeah, remember to align it properly. Okay, it has to be in a straight line. There we go. I think that's straight and just like that. There you go. Whoa!
It's too much. This sideways.
It was too far that way.
Yeah.
Okay. One more try?
Yeah. Take 2 kids.
Take 2.
We can only do the same thing.
All right, go ahead. Oh, again.
Take.
How about let's get a little bit closer, like start it from right here,
Yeah.
so that we can aim a little bit better.
Take 3 kids.
Take 3. Okay, ready? Steady. Go!
Take 3.
Woohoo! We did it! Clap for him, Nunu. Say good job, Moose.
Good job, Musa. This is where all my cars are.
Okay, say happy quarantine, everybody.
Happy quarantine.